Baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Who is the water park pickpocket? Part 2. Big Belly Boris noticed a female cat lined up in front of the monkey, who was on her mobile phone with her head down.
I can just slip in front of the cat right now while she is on her phone, and she won't even notice. I'm such a genius.
Big Belly Boris then tiptoed over to the line and cut in front of Miss Piranha the cat. Unfortunately for him, Ms. Piranha realized something was amiss. She placed her phone back into her pocket.
Meow, sir, I think you cut in line.
I can make it up. No, I can explain. I was right here in line.
Big Belly Boris did not expect to get caught so quickly, and his face flushed with panic. Ms. Piranha bristled with anger.
Meow! Nonsense! Originally, you weren't ahead of me in line.
Big Belly Boris didn't want to give up the chance to ride the water slide again. He turned defiantly to get on the slide.
So, what if I cut in line? If you don't like it, call the police.
Meow! Sir, you forgot your life jacket!
Not wearing a life jacket, Big Belly Boris slipped as soon as he stepped toward the ride and spun down the water slide like a top. On the way down, Big Belly Boris bounced from one side to the other, bumping his head and big belly against the slide over and over again. His head was spinning and quickly started to see stars. Finally, he flew off the slide face downward. Then Big Belly Boris made a loud flop as he belly flopped into the pool, causing a huge splash. Splash! Water splashed on the passing Officer Doberman and drenched him like a wet chicken.
Hey now, my new straw hat! It's soaking wet!
Sheriff Labrador quickly pulled Big Belly Boris from the pool.
Are you all right, sir?
Thanks. I'm Sheriff Labrador? What are you doing here? Don't tell me that it's illegal to cut in line.
It's not illegal, but uncivil. So you shouldn't do it. One more thing. You should wear a life jacket when playing on water rides.
Splash! Right after that, another angry animal came down the slide.
Meow! Catch that pig! He stole my phone!
What? Big Belly Boris stole a phone? I thought he just wanted to cut the line. What happened? To be continued next episode.